Athens, the importance of research and innovation.
We will talk about infrastructures of research, both in the hard sciences and humanities. And from the Italian side, we hope that it will be could be the starting point for a strong cooperation between the countries who are involved in the project, and I do think it will be something like this.
Νομίζω ήταν μια κορυφαία εκδήλωση από την οποία η ελληνική προεδρία, η χώρα μας θα έλεγα περισσότερο, έχει να κεφαλαιοποιήσει πάρα πολλά πράγματα, αφενός μεν και σε επίπεδο προβολής, διότι δείξαμε ότι παρόλο τους δύσκολους καιρούς που διανύουμε πόσα πολλά μπορεί να κάνει η χώρα μας, αλλά αφετέρου όμως κεφαλαιοποιούμε και πολλά πράγματα από την εμπειρία και την τεχνογνωσία που αποκτήσαμε αυτές τις 2,5 μέρες από τις συναλλαγές που είχαμε με τους ξένους εταίρους μας.
We're very excited to be here because what the Human Brain Project is trying to do is to actually establish common ground for many disciplines to come together to develop tools so that we can actually see how all the data fits together, how disease patterns emerge, and how we can build new kinds of computers from our knowledge of the brain.
Χώρα η ελληνική έρευνα και ό,τι κάνουμε γύρω από τις υποδομές τις ερευνητικές είναι κάτι πολύ σημαντικό και συμμετέχει στην όλη ευρωπαϊκή προσπάθεια για την ενίσχυση της έρευνας μέσω των υποδομών.
This conference is extremely well organized. I'm really impressed, and it's also composed of many different participants with a wide range of expertise. So this is a great place, I think, to network.
Well, I think that it's important that the people from all around many countries of the world actually do begin to address some of the big questions research questions that confront humanity. To do that properly, we're going to have to cooperate, we're going to have to collaborate, we're going to have to share infrastructure.
We hope we can have a similar working relationship with the countries in the European Union, and the fact that we believe that there should be a global partnership.
It's not Greek, it is my national language, and I like to use it.
Appreciated the conclusions of the conference, the debates and the discussions. The challenges that humanity faces are truly global, and it is very clear that only through international cooperation we'll be able to solve scientific problems in order then to face the societal and other challenges that we have.
I believe that we're in an excellent position to benefit from variation.
Well, ICRI 2014 has been an enormous success. Thanks first of all to our excellent host, Christos and his team. Bringing together 800 people to talk about global research infrastructures is quite a project, but it went extremely smooth. Very clear conclusions, very clear debates, excellent networking, and good planning of future activities. Now, I've learned a lot during these 2 days here in Athens about global research infrastructures. I think first of all, that the challenges which we are facing in our societies, be it in the field of health, be it in the field of energy or food safety, are so big that we need to work at a global level to address these. Research infrastructure are ideal tools to indeed find solutions and extend the frontier of knowledge.
Excellent science.
From the South African delegation's perspective, we can honestly say this has been the best international conference on research infrastructures. I think we take many important messages home. This conference has emphasized the importance of international cooperation, the critical role research infrastructures have to play to address our many shared societal challenges, and how we can leverage research infrastructures for enhancing human capital development and indeed competitiveness. So there's a lot to do. We have learned a lot, and that's very important that we continue to build upon the good work done here in Athens. And from a South African perspective, we are really proud, and we'll be working very closely with our friends in Greece to organize the next conference, and we will spare no effort to ensure that we will hopefully present an event which is at least as good as our friends have done here in Athens, and that we continue the very important discussion, because this is a discussion which matters.